Daddy, I started drinking this morning.
Hey, we now make wahala na ye. Hey, I'm just trying to wanyokere because of make I drink because of my pele. Is anything wrong with your dad? Anything they wrong with your daddy?
Yes.
Okay, we take off for inside this matter. Water, what is for? If your daddy drink, what will happen?
It damages the lungs.
Okay, it damages the lungs. And I'm away with school. Now that one they teach you for the school. Don't worry. After this one, after I just take this one, I just say rinse my mouth because of alcohol within my teeth. I go stop and not drink again. I swear. I don't drink again. Now I promise you I don't drink after this one.
No problem. Daddy, what is water? What is water?
What is water?
Yes.
Water na wetin person dey drink na ame.
No. Water is colorless, odorless, tasteless, and liquid. Daddy, what is food?
Food.
Yes.
Food.
Yes.
Food na wetin person dey chop if you wan drink medicine.
No, food is what we eat that make us grow.
And look at really better now. Food na wetin person dey chop. Food na wetin person dey chop. Grow look at no when akpa.
Daddy, what is energy?
Hey, you don't make me wahala na. Energy.
Yes.
Okay, energy na. Energy.
Yes.
Energy na if maybe person want climb and go down. You don't feel climb, I need energy to climb.
No, energy is the ability to do work. Daddy, what is development?
Development. Development now if governor suppose do road, you know called one, or he suppose do build borehole. You never reach there when you want to do one, or school. You never do one. That be development.
And that is not the answer.
Lawa. Shush.
That is mommy that asked you to drink.
Shush. Listen. What are you doing? Oh. Now because I said they pay your school fees, I'm not going to tell you.